Welcome to the best picks. The best sewing machine bag is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for sewists who frequently transport their machines and supplies. It not only protects your valuable equipment from bumps and scratches during travel but also makes carrying heavy loads significantly easier, saving you time and effort. This video will help you find the perfect bag to suit your needs and budget, ensuring your sewing machine arrives safely and soundly at your destination. Number 5. Yarwo 2025 Sewing Machine Case. This case makes transporting your sewing machine a breeze. Its multiple carrying options and protective features ensure your machine is safe and secure. Carry it by hand, sling it over your shoulder, or roll it along with the convenient trolley system. It's designed for ultimate portability. The reinforced design and removable bottom board provide excellent protection against bumps and drops, keeping your machine safe. It has multiple pockets to keep your threads, needles, and other sewing essentials organized and easily accessible. With its generous interior dimensions, it fits most standard sewing machines. It's perfect for various sewing projects. Made from durable nylon with inner padding, it's designed to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting protection for your valuable sewing machine. Whether you're a beginner, a seasoned pro, or a hobbyist, this case is the ideal companion for all your sewing adventures. What we like? It has reinforced handles, a padded shoulder strap, and a detachable trolley. This makes it incredibly versatile for any sewing situation. If you need a bag that can adapt to your needs, this is the one for you. What people say. Bag is super well made, sturdy, and easy to carry with a machine inside. It's taller than all other bags I've looked at and has handy side pockets that easily fit the plug-in pedal in one pocket, leaving an open pocket for other things. The front pocket is big enough to store lots of supplies and well laid out. This sewing machine carrying case has the ideal configuration to accommodate the average-sized model portable sewing machine. Very appealing in design, made with durable fabric and multiple compartments for storage of accessories. I especially appreciate the width and padding of both the shoulder and double handles, which reduces the strain in transport. Overall, it's a great design. It holds my machine, fabric, scissors, bobbins, and spools of thread with more room to spare. The handles on the bag make it much easier to transport and carry around. Number 4. CAB 55 Rolling Sewing Machine Case. This is the ultimate solution for transporting your valuable sewing machine. Its rolling design and durable construction ensure easy and safe travel. The case is designed with a detachable rolling base, allowing you to easily remove it and use it as a tote bag. This makes it incredibly versatile. It features a removable bottom wooden board that provides extra support and stability for your sewing machine during transport. It offers ample space for your sewing machine and all of your accessories. Keep everything organized and protected in one convenient place. This case is designed to accommodate most standard sewing machines. It's the perfect companion for sewists on the go. With its smooth rolling wheels, it makes transporting your sewing machine a breeze. No more struggling with heavy equipment. What we like? This case offers the convenience of rolling transport and a removable wooden base for extra protection. It's perfect for those who value both portability and security. If you prioritize protection and ease of movement, this is your best bet. What people say. Unexpected the very nice fabric. It also has a nice feel and wipes clean. Also included is the matching shoulder strap. I appreciated the fine mesh pockets inside. The dolly is sturdy and supportive. Sturdy, well designed, lots of pockets. Lightweight and easy to use. The size is fantastic. My use is to haul my laptop, keyboard, and all the work I need to do from building to building in my work week. The side pockets are big. I am using one for my laptop cord. The front zip area has a couple of mesh zip pouches I am using for supplies like clips and containers of paper clips. The top flap has more mesh zip pouches which I am using for pens, markers, and post-it notes. The wheels roll well and the handle is sturdy. This is super roomy to haul the work I need to do. Number 3. Everything Mary Sewing Case. This case is designed to protect your valuable sewing machine during transport. Its durable construction ensures your machine arrives safely at its destination. It's made from high-quality, durable polyester, built to withstand the rigors of travel. This ensures years of reliable use. This case fits most standard-sized sewing machines from popular brands like Brother, Bernina, and Singer. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. With dual wheels and an extendable handle, transporting it is a breeze. You can easily maneuver it through airports, train stations, or even just across your home. It offers ample space for your sewing machine and accessories. Keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. We understand crafters' needs. This case is a perfect blend of functionality and style, designed for the everyday crafter. With its generous dimensions, it comfortably accommodates most standard sewing machines and all your essential accessories. Check the dimensions to ensure a proper fit for your machine. What we like. Made from durable polyester, it's built to last and fits most standard sewing machines. The dual wheels and extendable handle make transporting your machine a breeze. If you're looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-use option, this is it. What people say. I love all of the pockets and that there is so much room inside. My Cricut Joy, vinyl, tools, and so much more fits inside. It has this nice Velcro strap that goes around it and keeps it secure. It has wheels and the handle goes up really far. So if you are looking for one that rolls and that does not have a tiny handle, I recommend it. Lots of room for sewing machine, bobbins, power cord, thread, and notions. Easy to wheel about. Number 2. Mary 4-Wheels Sewing Machine Case. This is the ultimate solution for transporting your valuable sewing machine. Its durable design and convenient features make it a must-have for any sewing enthusiast. It's designed to protect your machine from bumps and scratches during travel. The sturdy construction ensures your investment stays safe and sound. When not in use, it collapses for easy storage, saving you valuable space at home or in your studio. It's incredibly space-saving. For smooth rolling wheels make maneuvering effortless. Transporting your sewing machine has never been easier. It's compatible with many popular sewing machine brands, including Brother and Singer. Check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your machine. It boasts a range of deluxe features designed for ultimate convenience and protection. You'll appreciate the thoughtful details. Simply load your machine, zip it up, and roll it to your destination. It's that simple. What we like. With 4 wheels and a collapsible design, this offers superior stability and convenient storage. It's ideal for those who value both maneuverability and space-saving design. If you need a compact yet sturdy option, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Ordered this rolling sewing tote to fit my Burnett 77 sewing machine, which is 19.5 long. It fits great. Roomy. I am able to use this item for transporting my sewing machine, additional equipment, and a modest amount of fabric. In addition, the interior dimensions fit my large needlework frames. This sewing machine case is great. The size is awesome and I can fit my big serger cover stitch machine and lots of other stuff in this case. Number 1. Rolling Sewing Machine Tote. It features a Y-elastic buckle strap in the main compartment. This keeps your machine safe and sound, preventing damage from movement. The removable wood and cotton pad provide superior support. It's placed in a bottom pocket for better structural integration, preventing sagging. It easily fits most sewing machines, and has extra pockets. Keep everything you need organized in one convenient place. The extendable handle is longer than average. This means easier transport and no more bending or tripping. It's made with durable, heavy-duty nylon and padded lining. This provides excellent protection for your valuable machine. What we like. The Y-elastic buckle and reinforced bottom provide superior stability and protection for your machine. The extra-long trolley handle ensures comfortable transport for everyone. If you need ultimate stability and comfort, this is the one. What people say. Good quality, plenty of storage room for accessories, and my machine. Easy to assemble, attractive and easy to transport. The handle is actually quite long and works great. So this bag is perfect for my Bernina 570 and has enough storage for everything I need. My machine is a Bernina 570 QE and the machine fits inside nicely. There is room within the main compartment for the slide-on tray for the machine, or it will fit inside the removable front pocket if you don't want to keep them in the same compartment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.